So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-log out ng account sa ating Roblox app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, napakasimple lang, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-log out ng account sa ating Roblox app. So unang-una is i-open lang natin yung ating Roblox application. Then mula dito sa homepage guys, i-tap nyo lang yung more na nandito sa my lower part sa right side. So yun yung more. Then dito sa more guys, i-scroll up nyo lang. So hanggang dulo. And then dito sa pinakang dulo, makikita nyo na agad yung log out. So para ma-log out, i-tap lang natin yung log out. And then para ma-confirm, are you sure you want to log out your account? So tap ulit natin yung log out. And automatic guys, naka-log out na agad yung account natin once na ma-confirm natin yung log out. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-log out ng account sa ating Roblox. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.